Okay, good morning. This is second lecture concerned uh, with our digital marketing concept. Last lecture we observed related with basic concept related why we going with digital marketing and a number of parameters. Also, we get distinguish between the what is the traditional marketing concept, uh, what platform or landscape will be used for the traditional marketing, and what will be used for the digital marketing. So that difference will be clarified related with the parameters. So we observe the 6 to 7 points related with the distinguish between the both the parameters, that is the traditional and digital marketings. Then what are the tools will be available for the digital marketing, that parameter we observe. And then go with some of the related with search engine optimization, what is the mobile marketing parameters, that parameter we observe that. So just continuing with last lecture, we observing that digital marketing will be a consist number of landscapes, and it have a, some strategy related to be increase the marketing value of your products and other parameter. That's value of that products. That concept will be clarify the number of things. So digital marketing will be a consider that parameter uh, with that one. Just a second. Digital marketing will be a consist that is one is website. That is the first we observe. Then social media. We go with that. Where then email marketing, then search of engine optimization, and the mobile marketing. That five pillars, or we say the five landscapes. There are more landscape will be available, but in first unit they have to explain that related with the these five. That we say that this is the five pillars or a landscape of a digital marketing which help to make more marketing parameters. So going with that parameters, so there are some key drivers. So key drivers means we say that some of the important points, those will be a concentrate and improve your digital marketing, right? So that help to make more marketing concept related with that one. So key drivers. So key drivers of digital marketing include the uh, technological advantages, increasing the increase internet and the smartphones, then penetration and need for the presentation in the campaigning. These factors enable the business to be a reach a wider audience and tailor their marketing efforts and achieve the better result through the data-driven decision making. So decision making is a very crucial part related with any business or any parameter, and the key drivers will be a very important role. They create a very important roles to make to decision, and that will becomes in a data driven decision making. Some of the techniques we observe, that's technology advantages. What are the advantages? We go with technology advantages. So AI, machine and learning. So we know the latestly market is mostly concerned with AI and ML related parameters and tools that will be helped to make more useful that. The first advantage is related with AI and machine learning. These techniques are used to be personalized content, automate the task, and analyze the data to improve the marketing strategy. So analysis is very easily possible with AI marketing. They distinguish between the type of customer, need of customers, then how to be interact with customers and how to learn with a customer. That all things will be a concern with AI, and the AI and ML will be helped to analyze all type of data. right? Related. Suppose somebody will be a example, just that finding out the related with the medical expenses and medical insurance. So they segregate the data which are mostly interested to be in medical field. Some related with people are finding with some sport. Some will be finding with some other information, that is a technology related information. So they have a capability to distinguish the data related with what the people will be a want and how to be a distinguish that one, and it is easy to be concentrate. Suppose our product is related with a medical field, one of the application related with that one. So they provide data that people need that much information. They searching for that information. So particular customer that is related with only the need of that one, they we can get, and we can improve our marketing possibility and the selling capacity of the product with the help of the AI and machine learning. So there are a number of tools they are help to be a more easier to be a handle the number of application for the digital marketing. Next parameter is related with the big data analysis. It is one of the huge tools, or we say that application, which will be help to be make more analyzing the large data sets, because we know that there are n number of customer and n number of peoples will be available and which will be using the net internets and the number of applications. But big data analysis will be help to analyze these large data sets related with understanding the customer behavior, how the customer will be behave, then performance and trends leading and more effective campaigning. So because of that, all things related, we separate out the need of the customer, and we can plan as according to that. So is it very easier to be a possible to that one. So it's just like we take example. So when we preparing any exam, that time we go with the previous last 3 to 4 question papers. So finding out the how which type of question will be used, so how much answer needed to be explained, which parameter will be agreed. So that will be help to us that to give the properly examination. So that when concept. So if you know the customer, what is the trends of customers, what parameter needed by a customer, and that will be separated out by the big data analysis, that will be analyzed by big data. So we can easily concentrate on need of customer, and we make advertisement of that one, and or possibly we can develop our product according to the need of customer. So the marketing will be increasing, sales will be increasing, and indirectly the profit will be increasing. So that is a more helpful tools for the digital marketings. Considering that one, second is the cloud computing is one of the important parameter, because whatever data will be available, we go with the cloud. So cloud computing will be provided to enable the business to be collaborate effectively. Collaboration is very important. Access data in real time, improving security and scale their operations. So whatever the data will be available at any time, at any place, with the help of cloud computing. So it is easily available with customers. So customer will be does not get more effort, and they are can easily access your data with their security parameters. So security also be done with the that parameter. So these are the some advantages, technical advantages that will be provided. So these are the some key drivers to make a more effective digital marketing concepts, right? Considering that one, second is parameter related with increasing the internet and the smartphone uh, penetration, right? So maximum internet using, maximum mobile using means easily availability of platform to connect the number of customers, right? So there will be mostly two consult point is a wider audience reach. Why we go with that one? So maximum customer will be connected. Yeah? Then mobile first approach, because why mobile first approach? So we know that in last lecture also we learn about that everyone having the mobile phone, so we can easily interconnect with a number of peoples. So mobile first is a one more parameter. So more people are accessing the internet and the using the smartphones, means a large potential customer base for the digital marketing. So that is will be a potential customer, so we can reach with that one. Large percentage of online activity now be happens on the mobile device, though making it a crucial and for businesses to optimize their digital presence for the mobile user. So that will be a second critical one. So we can go with the maximum mobile application, or whatever the V application will be do with a digital marketing, it will be a run on a mobile, and the marketing will be done on the mobile, so it can easily reach a maximum customer to handle and getting to reach to the maximum customer. That will be a parameter. Third parameter is related with data driven decision making, so that will be a very important parameter. Tracking and measurement and present personalization, that's two parameters there is. So digital marketing allow for a precision tracking of a campaigning performance, enabling marketing to be identify what works and what does not. Right. So because of analysis, so what parameter will be a need by a customer, or what is the current trends related with a market condition? What are the competition of a marketing? So what parameter will be included in your digital marketing that help to be make a tracking and measurable? So what is the value of your product in a related with market? That will be analyzed by the tracking and measurement, right? So that will be a concept related with parameters related with. Suppose just we taking that taking one example. If you want to be a take a purchase one of the mobile, and saying that I have to purchase up to the 10 K or 10,000, suppose that one. So what we do, we go with a number of comparison. Which type of mobile will be available within the 10 thousand? So which number of brands, then a number of functionality, then number of applications, then usability, screen, memory, RAM, that parameter. So we, because of the tracking and measurement, we analyze that same type of product will be available in market. So what is the condition of that one, and what we need to be added in our product or digital marketing parameter that he will say to that one parameters. So that is one consideration. So analyze the data, allow for the creation of personalized content and offering leading to be high engagement and conversion rate. Because of this one, we know that one, whatever we launching our product or we making the marketing of product, we know the market condition of same product which will be available in market, which parameter. So we have to highlight the other parameters, and that will be improve the marketing of that parameters. So that concept will be a consult with the that one. The fourth related with the content quality and relevance. So it consider with the engaging content, meeting customer needs. So we have to always engage the content. If we make a marketing of some of the product or some of the application, every time we have to engage the customer. So the customer is always connected with us by a some of the parameter or some of the anythings. We have to every time try to connect with customers. Suppose we launching one product, so then we have to provide this, give the calls to the customer related with that. So best example is related by, suppose we have some four-wheeler vehicles, and we purchase that one. Still the whatever the the person or whatever the company person every time is calling after 1 week or 15 days, what is the performance of vehicle, any problem with that one, if you need any services of that one. Then after the 1 month, if the service period will become, they call us, they inform us related that, so your servicing will be occurs. Then some of the facility, if new will be available, they inform us. So every time they try to make interact with a customer, engaging customer, they are always connected with us. It helps to that this customer is always connected with us. So it is help to that one. Try to make a more meeting with the customer and to inform about the product. So that will be a making a bond with our customer. Then fifth is the social media engagement. right? That is one of the important. That is it will be awareness of a bond awareness and community building. So we can create a bond between the customer and us, and make a building a community. So the next product will be a more useful. Six is the customer experience. Always we take the feedbacks with the help of number of parameters, whatever related with that. That is a personalized experience. What is the experience of customer with our product? Any query will be applied, any modification will be required, any additional requirement will be available, any facility will be available. That need to be we have to take a feedback, and we make the modification according to the that one. Hmm? That will be a very easy and easy to navigation. Whatever we provide the application, it easily navigated. So the customer, if it is not be a technically strong, still they have to use this application and easily available with that one. Seventh is the adaptability. Whatever the changes parameter depend on the market condition, need of customer, uh, we have to modify our application. We have adaptability to make integrate new concept with our application. So every time we have to stay update. What is the current condition of market? What need of content, what is the current trending parameters, what are the competitor will be provide the services that need to be added in our program. And it should be our application is a flexible for this all the condition, so it will be a go more and more, and the branding will be done. Last is the integration of related omni-channel strategy. So your whatever the parameter will be a 360-degree need to be a modified as per of the need of customer. Whatever we taking the feedback, whatever we making analyzing the data, whatever we segregating the data, what are the competitor will be having the facility, and what facility we need to be added. That all thing need to be a consider, and that should be a in all the way we make a more marketing, and that will be help to us get the maximum reach of customer, maximum sale of your product, and the related with a maximum ranking. That is nothing but the branding of product, and this will be help. So these are the some of the key drivers, key points which help to increase the your value of product, your value of product. So need to be a think about that, and this point should be a consider when we go with any marketing of any place. So that is one of the most important parameter of the rated. So in this second lecture we learn about the what are the key drivers, what are the importance point of that. So just we recover that one. So we go with the number of rate key drivers points is related with the um, parameters. So some technical parameter, that is a technology advantages, that is a AI machine learning parameters, then big data analysis parameters, then cloud computing parameters. So that is the technical one parameter which help to analyze and the data, and automation of your product and applications related with that will be done. And then second is the increase in the internet and the smartphone potential. So maximum user, whatever you do developing your application, it should be a develop is like that it can be a work on the mobile devices. So maximum customer will be connected with us, so the maximum sales will be increased. Then data driven decision making, so we have to track and measure the whatever your application, what is the status of application, and how to represent and our presentation of our marketing towards the customer as per the need of customer. Then content quality and relevance, so every time we have to engage customer, connected with customer, take the number of meetings, interact with them, understanding the need of customer, and do the necessary changes on that one. Then branding is very important parameter. Without brand, the value does not be increased. Then we have to build the community, so maximum sale will be increased. Then we have to take the whatever the experience of customer, how they can be, if the customer is very previously connected and they use our application, so what is the experience of that one, what they need to be changes on that one. what either they satisfied, unsatisfied. If it is unsatisfied, which parameter we have to consider on that one, that will be a consider the next parameter. And whatever the application is easily navigated with a number of customer. Then we have to adaptability to make update your application. It should be a flexible with number of parameters, and it should be a modified by a 360-degree. So this concept is related with our data driven. So it is a very important point and exam point of view. We have to go with this point, because it is one of the important parameter related with your taking the decision related with making any product marketing by a digital way. So that will be a parameter we have to consider this one. So related with that parameter, in next lecture we go with some digital user in India. What is the digital user? What is the what type of parameter will be used in that one, and how it will be a grow. Then digital marketing strategy. What are the strategies? So second point of that one, we go with what are the goals and number of parameter we have to go with that one. Then customer decision journey. What is the customer decision journey? That will be a parameter we observe in our next lecture related with that parameter. So consult with that one. First we go with some of the example, we observe that one. Then digital marketing skill, which are the skill will be available. That concept will be a clarify that one. Then what is the CRMS? What is the web design development? That parameter will be in learning next lesson. Then digital marketing plan. What is the plan? What parameter we have to consider when making a digital parameter? So that planning will be a consider. This point we have considered in our next lecture. So concerned with that one, today we learn about the key drivers. Very important point is the key drivers of that one. So today we stop here.